Artificial intelligence is not slowly entering the workplace. It is smashing into it with full force. In the last few years, we've seen AI automate code generation, create entire marketing campaigns, and manage customer support systems, along with detect frauds, write documentation, and even perform tasks that once required full team engineers. Companies around the world are shrinking departments, reconstructing teams, and leaning heavily on AI because it is fast, tireless, and incredibly powerful. Entry-level jobs are vanishing. Junior roles are being automated. Entire career paths that were once considered future-proof are suddenly uncertain. But here is what most people do not realize. Not every job is replaceable. In fact, there are roles in tech world that are becoming more valuable because AI cannot replicate these qualities which are required to perform them. These roles depend on human judgment, creativity, empathy, leadership, and complex real-world problem solving. These jobs are resistant to automation because they rely on skills that no machine can possess. Today, we're exploring the top 10 tech jobs that AI cannot replace. These are the careers that remain safe, impactful, and highly relevant in the age of artificial intelligence. Before we begin, make sure you hit that like button, share this video with someone who is worried about the future, and subscribe for more deep dives, and comment which tech job you think is the safest. Let's jump in. We shall now talk about the top 10 tech jobs that AI cannot replace and why you should master them. Starting off with the 10th one, we have IT support specialists. AI can reset passwords, provide basic troubleshooting flows, and answer common questions. But advanced IT support deals with real-world chaos that AI cannot handle. Systems fail unexpectedly, hardware behave unpredictably, and networks crash without clear patterns. When a server overheats, or when an office loses connectivity, or when a company-wide outage brings everything to a stop, AI cannot physically intervene or make informed decisions with limited information. Advanced IT support specialists diagnose complex hardware issues, rebuild systems after failure, restore broken networks, and troubleshoot unpredictable problems across different devices and configurations. These tasks require intuition, experience, and real-time judgment. They also involve working with frustrated users, communicating clearly under pressure, and making decisions with incomplete information. AI cannot climb under desks, rewire equipment, and build corrupted systems, or apply hands-on experience. This role requires a human touch and deep practical knowledge that only machines can simply not match. So you might be wondering, what does the demand for IT support roles actually look like? Well, here's a fact. IT support roles are growing by 10% annually. As businesses continue to rely on technology, there's a constant need for professionals who can handle unexpected system failures, hardware malfunctions, and network crashes. While AI can handle some basic troubleshooting, it's the human element, such as intuition, experience, and real-time judgment, that makes advanced IT support irreplaceable. We shall now move on to the 9th point, which is on human-computer interaction specialists. So human-computer interaction specialists focus on understanding how real people use technology. They study user behavior, emotional reactions, frustrations, and cultural expectations, and natural patterns of interactions as well. AI can generate designs, but it cannot decode why a user hesitated before clicking a button, or why a layout confuses people in one culture but feels intuitive in another. HCI is fundamentally about human psychology and anthropology. These professionals conduct interviews, usability studies, ethnographic research, and behavioral observations. They draw insights from subtle human behaviors, including body language and emotional responses. They create design frameworks that reflect human nature, but not machine logic. AI does not understand user hesitation, emotional discomfort, or cognitive overload. Only humans can understand the complexity of human behavior, which makes HCI specialists irreplaceable. Now, you might be asking, what's the job market like for human-computer interaction specialists? So let me give you a fact. HCI specialist roles are growing by 15% annually as companies strive to improve user experience and make technology more intuitive. HCI experts are needed to design interfaces that feel human, anticipate user needs, and create seamless digital experiences, something AI cannot fully replicate. We shall now move on to the 8th point, which is on data scientists and data strategists. AI can process massive amounts of data, but it cannot define the right questions to ask. It cannot understand business priorities, interpret ambiguous results, or distinguish meaningful insights from random patterns. Data scientists understand context, strategy, human behavior, and the real-world forces behind numbers. They create experiments, evaluate data quality, investigate anomalies, and determine which conclusions actually matter. They also translate business insights to actions, something that AI cannot do because it lacks understanding of human motivations, market dynamics, and organizational goals. Data strategists bridge the gap between raw data and strategic decisions. They can understand customer economics, trends, and the company's long-term direction. AI can assist with analytics, but the human mind remains essential for interpretation, decision-making, and strategy. Let's talk about data scientists. You might be wondering how fast this field is growing. Well, data science roles are growing by 35% annually. Companies are increasingly relying on data to make smarter, more informed decisions, while AI tools can process and analyze data. It's the human context, creativity, and strategic thinking that data scientists bring to the table that machines can't replace. We shall now move on to the seventh point, which is on UX and UI designers. AI tools can generate mockups, color palettes, and layouts, but user experience design goes far deeper than just visual arrangement. UX design is about understanding how people think and feel while interacting with a product. Designers anticipate confusion before it happens, create flows that feel natural, and ensure that digital experiences connect with emotion. UI designers consider aesthetics, accessibility, brand identity, storytelling, and clarity. They create visuals that communicate meaning and emotion. These decisions are intuitive and deeply human. AI does not understand cultural nuance, emotional resonance, or artistic judgment, which makes a product delightful to use. UI and UX design requires imagination, empathy, and the ability to understand human emotion. Machines cannot replicate those qualities. So here's an interesting fact. You might be curious about the job demand in this field. Well, UX and UI designer roles are growing 17% every year. As companies increasingly prioritize user experience, there's an ever-growing demand for designers who can craft intuitive, engaging, and visually appealing interfaces. While AI can help with design, it can't create the emotional connection or user-centered designs that people rely on. We shall now move on to the sixth point, which is on DevOps and cloud engineers. Cloud infrastructure is an intricate ecosystem with countless moving parts. When something breaks in production, no AI system can fully diagnose and solve these issues without human oversight. DevOps engineers maintain uptime, monitor systems, build deployment pipelines, and manage large-scale cloud environments. They work in high-pressure situations where every second of downtime can cost massive amounts of money. AI can automate workflows, but DevOps engineers understand why systems fail. They know how configurations interact and how performance changes are under real conditions, along with how to patch complex problems that cross multiple layers of technology. They plan scaling strategies, optimize cloud spending, and maintain reliability across thousands of intertwined services. AI can alert, AI can suggest, but DevOps engineers take action. So you might be wondering, how important is cloud engineering and DevOps right now? So here's a fact. DevOps and cloud engineer roles are growing 33% year on year. As more businesses shift to cloud environments, the need for professionals who can manage and optimize cloud infrastructure grows. AI can automate some processes, but these engineers are crucial for making complex, real-time decisions and ensure that everything runs smoothly. We shall now move on to the fifth point, which is on tech consultants and solution architects. Tech consultants and solution architects combine technical expertise with business understanding. They communicate with stakeholders, analyze company needs, design custom solutions, and guide organizations through digital transformations. AI cannot understand executive fears, team dynamics, politics, or budget constraints. These roles require negotiation, relationship building, persuasion, and the ability to communicate complex concepts clearly. A solutions architect must design systems that fit both technical and business requirements. They evaluate risk, plan long-term strategy, and help clients make decisions that shape their future. AI has no awareness of organizational culture or human emotions, which makes these roles deeply human-centered and impossible to automate. So you might be thinking, how fast are tech consultants and solution architects growing? So let me give you a fact. Tech consulting jobs are growing at 18% annually. Every company wants to transform digitally, and consultants help them do that by identifying the right tech solutions. While AI can suggest solutions, it can't understand the company's culture or adapt to solutions to unique business needs. That's where human expertise comes in. We shall now move on to the fourth point, which is on software architects. While AI can generate code, it can't design large-scale software systems. Architecture involves making high-level decisions that determine how an application functions, evolves, and stays secure over many years. Architects think about scalability, performance, security, and maintainability, along with cost efficiency. These decisions require experience, creativity, and the ability to anticipate future problems. Architects evaluate trade-offs and understand how different components interact. They design systems that balance constraints and align with business goals. AI can follow patterns, but it cannot create visionary system designs. So this role will continue to rely on human judgment. Now let's speak about software architects. You might be curious about the demand for this role. So here's a fact. Software architecture positions are growing at 20% year on year. Software architects are responsible for designing the structure and framework of software systems. While AI can assist with coding, it cannot foresee the big picture or make scalable design decisions for long-term success. We shall now move on to the third point, which is on cybersecurity analysts and ethical hackers. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving battlefield. Attackers invent new strategies every day, and AI cannot predict all possible threats. Ethical hackers think creatively and unconventionally. They exploit flaws that AI cannot recognize and understand how social engineering and psychology, along with human error, create vulnerabilities. Cyber analysts make split-second decisions during active threats. They investigate breaches, track attackers, interpret digital footprints, and respond to dangerous situations. AI can detect known patterns, but it cannot anticipate the imagination of human attackers. Creativity, curiosity, and intuition make humans essential in cybersecurity. Machines can defend, but humans outsmart. So you might be wondering, how much is the cybersecurity job market expanding? So here's a fact. Cybersecurity jobs are growing at 33% annually. With increasing cyber threats, businesses need professionals who can anticipate, detect, and mitigate attacks. While AI can help with certain automated detection, it's the human creativity and problem solving in cybersecurity that keeps businesses secure. At number 2, we have AI ethicists and AI safety specialists. AI is becoming incredibly powerful, which means ethics and responsibility are becoming critical. AI ethicists and safety specialists ensure that AI systems are fair, unbiased, transparent, and aligned with human values. They understand the legal, social, and moral implications of AI development. AI cannot evaluate right and wrong. It cannot determine what is fair or unjust. It cannot predict long-term societal consequences. Humans must regulate AI, create policies, and ensure that artificial intelligence serves humanity safely. This role will grow dramatically as AI becomes more integrated into daily life. You might be thinking, what's the growth like for AI ethicists? Well, here's a fact. AI ethic roles are growing by 22% each year as AI becomes more integrated into our lives. So it's important that ethicists ensure the systems are fair, transparent, and safe. AI cannot make ethical decisions. It needs human oversight to ensure that it's aligned with moral standards and human values. For the last point, we have product managers and tech leaders. The number one tech job that AI cannot replace is leadership. Product managers, engineering managers, and tech executives shape the vision behind a product. They guide teams, make difficult decisions, understand user needs, balance priorities, and unite people around a shared mission. AI does not understand human motivation, passion, conflict, or inspiration. Leadership requires empathy, persuasion, emotional intelligence, creativity, as well as long-term strategic thinking. Product managers evaluate trade-offs, communicate with stakeholders, and translate ideas into action. No machine can inspire people, build trust, or create compelling vision. Humans lead and AI follows. Finally, you might be asking, how fast are the product management ideas growing? Product management roles are growing by 15% year on year. As AI and tech products continue to evolve, businesses need visionary leaders to define the direction of their products, along with leading teams and ensuring that everything aligns with business goals. AI can't lead a team or set product vision, since these are human-driven tasks that are more important than ever. AI is transforming the world faster than any technology in history. But these roles we covered today are built on human strengths that machines cannot replicate. Creativity, empathy, ethics, leadership, innovation, and problem solving will always belong to us. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you like this video, share it with someone worried about the future, and subscribe for more powerful insights. Comment down which tech job you think is the fastest in the AI era. Thank you for watching. Stay future-proof, stay ambitious, and above all, stay human.